What's going on, everybody? It's Walt with Tangled Lines, and today I'm going to teach you how to install a 360 light, or an all-around light. It's called that because it should be visible from every angle of the boat. I'm going to place it here temporarily because all the wires were ran here from the previous boat owner, and for better visual quality for this video. Luckily for me, all of the wires are already ran through the hull into the toggle switch on the panel, so this should be an easy install. If you weren't so lucky, let me know in the comments and I'll try to do another video from start to finish. However, if you were struck by the luck duck like me, you're going to want to start by removing the old connectors, if any. I like to leave from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of exposed wire of the negative and positive wire. If you don't have that, you can strip away some of the outside rubber coating with some wire strippers. Twist the ends of the exposed wire to compress them smaller so that it's easier to slip on the butt connector. Remove any brackets or old hardware from the previous light. Here I'm test fitting the light and I've come across a minor problem. I'll have to drill a separate hole for the wires due to where they come out of the light. I'm going to screw the first 2 stainless steel screws into the mount to hold the light in place where I want it. Next, I'm going to use a 1/4 inch paddle bit to drill a hole for the wires. Because there's a hole already here, I'll just make this one bigger instead of drilling a new one. Screwing in the first 2 screws was a little difficult without pre-drilling the holes first, so I decided to do so with a 3/16 inch drill bit for the last 2 screws. Now I'll finish mounting the light. It's best to use marine grade heat shrink butt connectors, but the ones I had were no good, so I chose to use some basic plastic ones that should do the job just fine. Place the positive wire from the toggle switch inside the butt connector until the exposed wire is halfway through. Then do the same thing to the positive wire of the 360 light. Once completed, crimp down the center of the connector with wire crimpers or needle nose pliers. You're going to want to copy the process to the negative wires of the switch and the light. Next, wrap each connecting wire individually with black electrical tape. Finally, wrap both wires together for good measure. Make sure the power is running from your battery to your panel. Flip on your 360 light toggle switch and smile. Subscribe for more useful fishing content.